In this video, we're going to continue doing a little bit of low-level setup on our project. In particular, we're going to start putting together our post list component. Once we've got this component put together and shown inside the app, we'll then start to call an action creator to go off and fetch the data we care about. And that's when we'll start talking about some interesting data fetch stuff around Redux. All right, so let's get to it. Back inside of my editor, I'm going to find the components directory, and inside there, I'm going to create a new file called the postlist.js file. Then inside of here, I'm going to import React from React, and I'm going to make this a class-based component. You'll see why in just a moment. So I'll define my render method. I will return a div with the text post list. And then at the bottom, I'll do an export default post list, like so. Next up, I'm going to take my post list and import it into the app and show it inside the app component. So inside the app, I will import post list from post list. And then finally, I'll replace the app text right there with the post list. Now I'm going to make this a multi-line JSX expression. So parentheses and closing parentheses. And don't forget to clean up that trailing semicolon at the end. All right, so let's test this out really quickly. If I flip back over to the application, yep, I see post lists on the screen. All right, now the last thing I want to do as a little bit of setup is to wire up the semantic UI library or the CSS library one more time. So remember, we'll open up a new tab. We'll search Google for semantic UI CDN. I'll find the CDN link. I'll search for semantic min.css on this page. There it is right there, so I'll copy that link. And then as usual, we'll open up our public index.html file. Right underneath the meta tag, I'll put a link in here with a rel style sheet and an href of that link, and then I'll close the tag off on the far right-hand side. All right, so if I flip back over, everything should look pretty nice. I see the new font here appear on the screen. Okay, so let's pause right here. When we come back to the next section, we're going to start talking about the different methodologies that we're going to use to eventually fetch some data inside of Redux. So I'll see you in just a minute.